Good evening students, today we are going to continue our topic knowing our number. In this we will learn about comparing number and making numbers. So we will continue. So in this we will learn how to compare numbers. So just take an example. First example, we are taking two numbers 3, 2, 5, 7 and one another number 3, 2, 5. Here you can recognize which is greater by counting the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and here are only 3 digits. So this number is greater than this. Suppose we have equal amount of digits in both numbers. Just taking another example 3, 2, 5, 7 and 4, 3, 2, 5. So there are equal amount of digits. Here we have to compare the leftmost digit first. So 3 is smaller than 4. That's why this number is greater. Suppose leftmost digits is same. Suppose this is also become 4. Then we have to compare the second leftmost digit. Okay, here. So now you can see this is greater than this. If this become 3, then which one is greater? We have to compare the third leftmost digit, because these two digits are same here. Then we have to compare this and this. So here the answer is changed. This will become greater. So students, I am just taking another example for this comparing numbers. 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 2, 7. So here it is a number. So we are comparing from the leftmost side. It is same. This is also same. This is also same. Then I compare this to this and it is greater. So this number is greater. So it is very easy how to compare a number. Okay. Now we are going to arrange number in ascending or descending order. Suppose there are some numbers 23, 24, 2450 and 3, 2. Now you can see easily, you can compare the number. This have 2 digit, this have 2 digit, but this is greater, this is smaller. Now ascending order means we are just starting from the smallest number. So smallest number is this 23. It is ascending order. We are just arranging these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Okay, smallest to greatest. Okay, so smallest is 23 here, and after that 32 is there. Then we have to compare number of digits. It is smaller than this, so 245. Then this 2450. So it is the way how we can arrange the number in ascending order. Students, according to your solved examples, it is given there which one is greater, and then these examples are very easy. You can understand by your own, and already I have shown you how to solve, how to compare numbers. Now we are going through the example number 10. Here some examples are given on page number 11. So now we are going to solve how to create number, how to make number. So according to example number 10, we are going to understand this topic. Example number 10. Here in example number 10, it is given there, use the digits 9, 0, 3 and 2 without repetition and make the greatest and smallest number. Suppose we have a digit 9, 0 and 3, 2. From these digits, without repeating any digit, we have to create greatest number and smallest number. So I am just creating greatest. So for the greatest, we have to, this is already in greatest form, I think. Okay, no, so it is not greatest because the 0 is there. No? So from these 4 digits we are making greatest number. So we will take the greater number from the left to the leftmost side. You know, ones, 10, 100, then 1000. So we will take 9 as a 1000 place. Then we will see 2, 3 and 0. So out of these 3 is greatest. So we will put 3 at 100 place. Then we will put 2 at 10 place. This is the greatest number which I have designed here. Okay, which we have designed here. Okay. Now here we have to create smallest number also. So how we can create smallest number? Shall we put 0 at 1000 place? But at the leftmost side there is no value of 0. So we will put 2 instead of 0 at 1000 place. Okay students. Now we have to put 0 at 100 place. Then we will put 3 at 10's place. Then we will put 9 at 1's place. So it will become smallest. So in this way we can solve the example. It is given in your book, solved. Okay, so very easy to understand. It is written in a very simple language. Now how we can create a number without disturbing a particular position of a number? So example number 12 is given there. Okay, now I am just explaining example number 12 also. Here we have to understand example number 12 now. In example number 12, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any 4 digit. Okay, but different digits. Okay, so we have to create greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any 4 different digits such that digit 4 is always in the tens place. So everyone knows ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we have to construct a number of 4 digit, greatest 4 digit, such that 4 is always at 10 place. Means we have to fix a particular digit in a particular number. So 4 is always on 10's place. Okay, it is the demand of the question. It is the demand of the question. Now we have to create greatest 4-digit number. There is a condition where 4 must be at 10 place. So we are choosing the number, greatest number from 0 to 9. 9 is greatest, then 8, then 7. So we are just constructing greatest 4-digit number by 4 different digits. So you can see keeping this at 10's place. Now we are constructing smallest. This is greatest. Then now we are constructing smallest 4-digit number without replacing 4. Okay, 4 is fixed. 4 is always fixed here. We cannot change the position of 4. Now we have to construct the smallest from 0 to 9, 0. But we cannot use 0 here. We have to use 1, then 0, because if we use 0 here, there is no meaning of 0 on the leftmost side of a number. Okay, so 0, we have to put 0 here. Then after 0 and 1, there will be 2. So we are constructing greatest and smallest 4-digit number with a certain condition that 4 must be on 10's place. So student, these are the simple questions. Now in first B exercise, there are some questions. We will solve some question according to that. So in exercise first B, we will solve it. Here identify the smallest and greatest number. You can do by yourself. It is very easy how to arrange them. It is very easy. Now I will solve fifth one. Okay, till fourth one you can arrange ascending or descending order. Okay, then fifth one is there. Question number 5. It is write the smallest 3-digit number with unique 4 digit. Okay, so we have to write the smallest 3-digit number. 3 digit means ones, tens, 100 is there. Okay, with unique number, unique digits. So smallest 3-digit number means we have to start the number from 0, 1, from 0 ne 1 only. Okay, so we have to use 1 at, we have to insert 1 at 100 place, then we have to use 0 at 10s place, then 2. So it is smallest 3-digit number, which unique digits. Okay, with the help of unique digits we have considered. So this is the demand of first, fifth question. Now sixth question is. Now we are going to solve sixth question here. So sixth question, write the largest 6-digit number with unique digits. Means we have to create largest 6-digit number with unique digits. So everyone knows ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So here no need of 10 lakh because we need 6-digit number only. So we have to create largest 6-digit number. So out of 0 to 9, which is greatest? 9 is greatest. So we will put 9 at lakh position, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So it is the largest 6-digit number. It is very easy. So now we will continue this topic. Here we will take another question, ninth question. I am just solving ninth question now. Okay. Sixth question was simple. Now after this, ninth question is there. So in this, use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. So we have to create greatest and smallest. So first is there 9025. It is the number. These are the digits which are given by the question. Okay. So we have to create greatest and smallest by them. Okay, so greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number by these digits. So by using these digits, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Everyone knows. Okay, so we will use for greatest. We will use greatest digit out of them. Okay, so 9 must be there for greatest. No? Then 5, then 2, 0. But in smallest, we have to use 2 instead of 0 because on the leftmost side there is no value of 0. So we will start from 2, then we will put 0, then we will put 5, then 9. So it is the answer. Okay, so it is very easy. These questions are very simple. You can solve it by your own. If you have doubt, you can ask. We will continue in next video. Thank you to all.